Welcome. Today we're going to discuss the Ford Co-Pilot 360 Assist technology that now is available in a lot of the Ford vehicles. So let's get right into it. First, we're going to talk about our lane keeping. So on the end of our turn signal, we turn that on and now we have lane keeping. What lane keeping does, if you're not paying attention, we're distracted, and wander off of the road, it's going to vibrate the steering wheel to what we have desired amount of vibration, and also assist the vehicle back into the lane. Now, this is not to be confused with another great feature that comes in our Co-Pilot 360 Assist, and that is lane centering. That's this here. When I press this, it operates by our cruise control being on. So I set my cruise control on, and then when I have my cruise control on, I can do my lane centering, and it pops up the little emblem right here. Now what lane centering does, which is different than lane keeping, is that it centers me inside the lane. So now I'm going to be centered in the lane. Well, let me go ahead and tell you some things that people do and don't like about this feature. Some feel as if they're fighting the steering wheel to keep it in the center of the lane. So they'd rather have just the lane assist to keep them in the lane, not in the center of the lane. Ford, through Co-Pilot 360 Assist, they give you the option. You get to choose what you want to do. And also now, with our cruise control on, we have adaptive cruise. That's this switch here. See the bars right here? They are where we select what our gap is going to be and how close we're going to be to the car in front of us before the adaptive cruise control becomes effective. I'd always recommend starting with the bars out as far away until you get comfortable with the system. But once you're comfortable, I'm telling you, this is a great feature. In conjunction with this feature with Co-Pilot 360 Assist is automatic emergency braking. What does that mean? If the vehicle in front of you suddenly stops, and for whatever reason you weren't paying attention at the moment, this vehicle will automatically stop and keep you from having maybe a terrible accident. Now we also have our blind spot information system. That's what we find in the end of both of our mirrors. Right here will light up amber if there's someone in our blind spot, alerting us that we can't get over. But it's more than just that. It also has our cross traffic alert, so if we're backing up and vehicle is coming down the road or down the aisle, it's going to alarm us so we'll know to put on the brake, and also show us which direction the vehicle's coming from, and then we'll look in our camera and see as the vehicle goes by. Now our camera with our 360 Co-Pilot Assist, now you can see how the vehicle is setting in the parking lot. As you see right now, we're not exactly in the center, but we can also change our view. So this is out the front of the vehicle right now. Now this looks straight out the front, and I also have a 180 view, so I can look on both sides. So if I'm pulling out around the building and I can't see, I can hit this and I can see down the side to safely know whether I can exit the building. Well, thanks for joining us today for the Co-Pilot 360 Assist, available on a lot of Ford vehicles.